If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where you are solving previous year JEE Main questions on inverse trigonometry. So today we will be solving question number 5 onwards to question number 8. Okay, then let's see this. Now if you come to 5, x 0 to 1. 0 to 1 means such x as their sine inverse is cos inverse. So for inverse 0 to 1 means we are talking only about 0 to 1 means first quadrant. Here first for inverse function, because here 0 for sine it can be, you can think of 0 1, for cos it is 1 0. Ultimately if it is 0 to 1, that means we are talking only about first quadrant. So they are asking you which sine inverse x is greater than cos inverse x, from where. So you think sine theta cos theta only. Where sine theta is greater than cos theta in first quadrant? Sine theta starts increasing, cos theta starts decreasing. So after crossing 45, your sine theta greater than cos theta. And here also, here sine theta is less than cos theta, because initially cos theta is more, then cos theta gradually goes to 0, where sine starts from 0, gradually goes to 1. So after 45, sine becomes higher than cos in this quadrant. So which one will be higher? So that means 45 means 1 by root 2. Sine 45 or cos 45 both means 1 by root 2. So if your x is 1 by root 2 greater than 1 by root 2, that means you are going to the angle which is greater than 45. Then that angle, sine inverse, any value greater than 1 by root 2 means you are here. So that angle will be more than cos angle. For any value greater than 1 by root 2, sine will give you answer which is greater than 45, and cos will give you answer which will be less than 45 for the same value. You can take one example, suppose root 3 by 2. So sine root 3 by 2, it is greater than 1 by root 2. Sine will give you 60, this will give you 60, but this will give you 30 degree. So the value would be 1 by root 2 to 1. If you go in this zone, then your sine theta angle will be more. So that is your option B. Now if you come to 6, if S is equal to tan inverse this. Now if you see the last one, then one hint you will get. This you will not get any hint, but here you will get n plus 19, n plus 20. So if you can write this on n plus 20 minus n plus 19, then it becomes a formula, tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. So because the hint is there, so you can similarly do here also. If you take 1 plus something of this when n square plus 3n plus 2, and here 1 plus n square plus n, then you can make something in the numerator, so that all becomes tan A minus B formula. So hint we are getting from here. So the first one we will write it tan inverse, this one we will write it there, and n into n plus 1. So in numerator what we will write? N plus 1 minus n. So you can see tan A minus B by 1 plus AB, tan A minus tan B 1 plus tan A tan B. So you have to think. So if you see this one, that here the hint they have given. So you have to find the hint from the question itself. And here if you write 1, then it is n square plus 3n plus 2. That is n into n plus 2 into n plus 1. So n square plus 2n plus 2. So it will be n plus 2 minus n plus 1. Instead of 1 I am writing. And the last one, from where we got the hint, that is dot 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 is there. And the last one is 1 plus n plus 19 n plus 20. So here from where we got the hint, this is the answer. So if you do it, will, what is this one? This is tan A minus tan B. Tan A minus tan B. What will be the benefit you will get? Now if you expand it, you will see it. Can you see something is cancelling out? N plus 20 minus tan inverse n plus 19. So which one get cancelled? This get cancelled with this one. So ultimately the first one will get cancelled. This one will get cancelled with the last one. So this one will get cancelled with something here. So this one will left and this will left. Because for cancelling this one you need a one term later on, which is not here, it is the last term. So ultimately what thing you will left? You will left with n plus 20 minus tan inverse A. So again now you can apply here tan inverse A minus B by 1 plus AB, which is equal to S they have given. So that means tan S equal to 20 by 1 plus n square plus 20n. So that is your option B. Sorry, C. B there is no C. 20 by n square plus 20n plus 1. Now if you come to 7, the number of solutions of this one. So in principal values means they should be there in their respective principal values. But for sine and tan both are it. For what is the principal value of sine here? For tan also it is here. So same only. So if I can convert, you can say this side is tan, this side. So if I can convert both sides in tan, So that becomes easy. So how to convert from sine to tan? Because sine you can write it is x by 1. So your height is x, hypotenuse is 1. So this is theta suppose. This one we can use formula 2 tan theta. And this one I am using that normal trigonometry to convert it into tan. So it is x1. So it will be under root 1 minus x square. So you can write it tan inverse x by under root 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So you can think of that we have cancelled out tan inverse, or we have taken tan both sides. Then it will be x into 1 minus x square is equal to 2x into under root 1 minus x square. So you can take common x under root 1 minus x square common. So it will be under root 1 minus x square minus 2 is equal to 0. So if you simplify it, either x equal to 0 or x equal to plus minus 1 or x equal to x square equal to minus 2 to minus 3. So this is not possible. This is not equal to, so this you can remove. 0 plus 1 minus 1. You want cross check, you always cross check whenever you get answers in inverse. Cross check in the original equation, because we could have changed it in other cos or whatever variable. So it's better to check. If you put 0, you can see sin inverse 0, tan inverse 0 is 0, so it will be okay. 0 is in tan inverse 0, sin 0 is 0 degree, which is in principal value. 1, it is 45, it is also 45 and 90, so 2 into 45 90, okay, it is also satisfying. And 1 45 is also in principal value. Minus 1 minus 45, minus 1 minus 90, so 2 into minus 45 minus, this is also in principal value. So how many solutions are there? 3 solutions. So that is your option D. Now if you come the last one, that is sine of cot inverse 1 plus x is equal to cos of tan inverse x. So if I can make it sine inverse, so sin inverse can cancel. If I make it cos inverse, so cos inverse can cancel. So 1 by 1. So first one, if you want to go for cot is what? 1 plus x by x. This is theta, base by hypotenuse. So what will be this one? This square minus this square. So that is this square plus this square. 1 plus x whole square. So if I can write it sine inverse height by hypotenuse, that is 1 plus x whole square. And here from here cos, and it is cos inverse, and this is of this triangle. Suppose tan inverse, this is x by 1, so this is height, this is base. So what will be this one? Under root 1 square plus x square. So cos inverse 1 by under root 1 square plus x square. So now you can think cos inverse, sin inverse has been cancelled out. So you are left with this. What you are left with? 1 plus x square plus 1 is equal to, I think you can solve it easily. Take whole square both sides, then this is 1 plus x whole square. So if you take whole square both sides, x square would get cancelled, 1 would get cancelled. Ultimately you will get x is equal to minus half. So that is your option A. From here you can easily solve this. So the idea was to convert this cot into sine using this triangle. Cot inverse base by hypotenuse, you can find this hypotenuse, then you can write it in sine format, sine inverse format. Same theta. Again tan theta x by 1, you can again convert it into cos format, because then cos and cos inverse get cancelled. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.